Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at AutoFilter. The AutoFilter option in Excel takes filtering and sorting to a whole other level. It is very powerful and it is just a click away to enable it for your data range. And there are two locations where you can go to do this. The first one is on the Home tab. You can pull down your sort and filter, and there is a filter option there. When you click that, that would apply AutoFilter to your data range. And the other way is to go into the Data tab, and then you have the filter. Just click on this and it will apply the AutoFilter option to your data range. Let me click here. So when you do so, what Excel does is it adds little arrow sort of button. It's actually a drop down, but it looks like a button. It is applied or it is added to every column of your data range. And let me pull it down for one of the columns, and you can see it's a standard A to Z, Z to A, what you have seen before. And then sort by color, there are a few things, and then you have little data, there's a search. And the appearance of this is pretty much standard across all these. I mean, it might look exactly the same for every column, but there's a slight difference depending on the data type, because Excel is intelligent enough to kind of analyze the data and kind of, apply a few different things to kind of make it handy for you. So let's start with the first name. So here, if you want to sort it by, the first name, A to Z, boom, you're done. If you want to switch that, Z to A, you're done. Let's say you want to do it by last name, A to Z. Now you can see there's a little difference here. There's a little arrow pointing upwards. Do this, now it's pointing downwards. So it's ascending and descending. Next, let me do let's take a look at this date of hire. So when I do this, same thing, old to new, new to old. Now let me switch back to last name. Now here, say for example, you want to take out Alan, Alex, Amy, Andy. Do that, they are gone from the display. So you're filtering the data. So here are the names here, right? I can clear the filter, it's done. Now let us take a look at date of hire. Let me pull this down here. So here, as you can see, here the data is a little bit different. It is not the actual date, but it is sorted here for you by the year. Meaning, Excel recognizes this as a date, and what it does is it nicely groups it by the year. Say for example, you only want to look at the data from the year 2010, meaning in this particular case, you're trying to pull all the employees who got hired in 2010. So all you do is uncheck these and leave that off like that. Make sure 2010 is checked and click OK. Now all you see is 2010 here. So everyone who got hired in 2010 is now being displayed. Not just that, you can take it to the next level. You can expand this. Now you can say for example, you just want to see who got hired in the fourth quarter. So uncheck all these. So all we did was we selected 2010, and within 2010 all we have is October, November and December. Do OK. Now it's done. We just have few records on the display now. So that's how you use it. I mean, in order to clear this, so you can do clear filter from this particular column, or you can do this, which would redisplay all the information, or all pretty much all records for that particular criteria. I'll just clear it. That's it about the AutoFilter. I will see you in the next video.